We out here in the country, and I want y'all to see this oil rig pumping, drawing oil from the earth. Did y'all see it?
This is gonna be a random segment in the middle of your video somewhere.
Hi guys!
Or not.
Hey, yo, what's up?
Wow.
I'm so dead.
We are on our way to Atlanta. Road trip! Yay!
Road trip.
So we are back in the back neck somewhere in Texas, heading to New Orleans tonight, and then we will see the sights tomorrow, and then head to Atlanta from there tomorrow. But right now we are literally like in the back of the neck of Texas, and
Back of the neck? Why you
back of
call
the
it that?
neck. It's like back here up in the kitchen.
And I take umbrage with
What?
calling that the kitchen, because the kitchen is the best part of the whole house. And if that's something that you like are not proud of, you shouldn't call that the kitchen.
I'm not unproud of my kitchen
Why you
anymore,
call
but I
that?
do know what you mean, because in black culture, when people refer to it as the kitchen, it's where the
Is that
pops.
where you cook the peas?
I think maybe that's what it comes from. Where the
Peas in the
peas
kitchen?
are at. Because they call it peasy when you hear it's all peasy back there. That's so messed up. And look at you, figured it out. Do y'all know why it's called the kitchen? Why do people call it back up in here the kitchen? Do you know why, Jessica?
Keep the peas in the kitchen.
I have no idea why to do that. Honestly, it sounds weird.
It does sound weird, but did you know what I was talking about?
Yes.
See, the kitchen. Why do we call it the kitchen? That is kind of random.
White people don't have a name for that part.
Because y'all don't have a kitchen.
We call it the back of our head.
Yeah.
No, there is a word. It's called the nape.
The nape of the neck, yes. That cow just lowed.
That was a horse.
No, there was a cow next to it.
That's all you get.
No, do the rest.
No.
Do it.
No.
What? That you did the funniest part.
No.
Seriously? Y'all, look at what we just got. Whoop. Hey, we just stopped at the side of the road. There was this nice little lady, and actually there was several, probably they were what, a good mile or two between all of them. There were like 4 people stopped, and all black folks. I'm guessing they were all together, part of the family, because my daddy used to do this when they were a kid. They were selling watermelons and peaches, y'all. The sign didn't even say watermelon. The sign said peaches, and I was like,
No, there was a watermelon sign.
afterward though, the first time we saw it said peaches, and I was like, oh no, the first sign did say watermelon, didn't it? And then after that, I was looking for peaches, and then after that, a sign said peaches, and I was like, pull over! Because if you find somebody selling peaches on the side of the road, it's like pretty much a guarantee they're gonna be good. And these grocery store peaches ain't about nothing. They are not tasty. They are not flavorful.
They are not.
They don't have juice.
They don't have juice.
And they're not peaches.
And they're not peaches. They're not actually
Like
peaches.
someone took the insides out of a peach, ground it up, sucked all the juice out, then stuck it back in the skin.
Yes, and the kids had to eat a terrible one the other day. They ate one of those white peaches.
Oh.
And it disintegrated with their
Yeah, it was nasty. So these peaches look and smell delicious. The watermelon looks good. The lady was really cool.
Wow, that watermelon is as big as Kalani.
It is huge. It's one of them old school watermelons. She said, yeah, them Hempstead watermelon, they good.
That's just what she said.
That's what she said. That watermelon is gonna be good. So we're gonna take that to my mom's house. And I'm really
Figure out a way to
excited.
put it in an ice water bath though, and cool it down.
Yeah. Well, by the time we get them out.
Fit in the refrigerator.
Yeah. We're in New Orleans! Yay! We are paying for the car in the parking lot, and we're about to go tour the French Quarter and see what we see.
Museums.
Yes. Really? That was Josh busting a bag. We're gonna see the museums and maybe go on a walking tour, and we tossed around the idea of getting puff puffs, beignets, and tossed around the idea of a carriage ride or a steamboat. So we'll see what we do.
Beignet?
Beignet. I've been saying beignet and you've been correcting me and saying beignet.
I've been saying beignets all the time.
Anyway, we're gonna get some food. But we just ate McDonald's breakfast to kind of rush because our hotel didn't have breakfast when they said they would, but that's another story. Give it a long one. So I'm excited, guys. Let's go.
Those museums are open every day except for Monday, right? At holiday. The one on the right of the church is called the Presbyterian. That's where we have the exhibit about Hurricane Katrina.
Okay.
It's also where we have a Mardi Gras exhibit.
Okay.
The one on the left of the church is called Cabildo. That was Louisiana from France. When they first came here, they operated a hospital, but when their main vocation is as teachers, and that's what that was. That was a school for girls. This is Esplanade Avenue. The French Quarter officially goes from Esplanade 12 blocks back to Iberville, and from the Mississippi River to Rampart Street. It's a mile long, half a mile wide. On TV many times, the Travel Channel, History Channel. Recently, Kathy Bates played Madame LaLaurie on the TV show American Horror Story.
Oh, yeah.
She won an Emmy for it. The story is that they think that Madame LaLaurie and her husband, who was a doctor, that they were sadists, that they got erotic enjoyment out of doing things to the servants, and that some of the servants died during the fire in the building because they were restrained and couldn't get away. Where they found the bodies at is upstairs on the 3rd floor, where there should be a window, but there isn't. It's sealed up back there. We sealed up the room inside and out after the fact.
Oh.
And the thing that makes it such a compelling story is that they had newspaper accounts of what happened from that time period, right? Talking about what they found in the building. So they know for a fact that she was in there torturing people.
Oh,
nobody really knows about the ghost or anything. But they know for a fact.
Wow.
It's a good show, by the way, that show. American Horror Story. One of those creepy pop shows that they do really well. 167 years old, built back in 1850. Beautiful, but somewhat out of place here in the French Quarter. It's the type you would usually see in the Garden District, right?
Okay.
The real name of it is the Cornstalk Prince Hotel. And as you can see, I get its name from the front. It looks like this church. This plaque right here, kids, on the ground. Henrietta DeLille. She's up for sainthood. She started the first black order of nuns in the United States called the Holy Family Sisters Convent.
Wow.
That's where this hotel is right there, right? That was the convent. And she's up to be deified. If she does, she would be the first black saint from the United States.
Wow.
This is Cabildo Alley down there. Pardon me, that's Pirates Alley. Down on Pirates Alley there is where William Faulkner lived. And right here, Mom, if you ever wondered, this is one of the places Angelina Jolie shop. You could have sort of tell that. That's not bad. They call the Trashy Diva. There's a dress shop further up. It's all vintage inspired sort of stuff. Some dresses.
Yes.
On the right, at the top of it, that's where Tennessee Williams lived when he wrote Streetcar Named Desire. And Rice lived down in the Garden District. He wrote Interview with the Vampire, all of that good stuff. And Queen of the Damned, too.
Oh, okay.
That was Anne Rice.
He looking so cool. He like, so.
There's no curfew. The bars never have to close. Wow. It's legal to walk down the street drinking. You can do that anywhere in the city.
Wow. Yes. Woo!
on now. If it wasn't going on earlier, that's because they try to wait until after Mass. Like 11:30 or so before they start.
Okay. Guys, this is brown sugar. Brown sugar was our mule. Thank you, sugar. He's gonna give you something,
I
Kalani.
told her she could feed her.
Oh,
I gotta cut up
fun.
the apple on here.
You gonna feed brown sugar?
No, we're gonna have flat like that. Oh, yeah.
Okay, Kalani.
Oh. I promise. You're very friendly. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sugar. I don't have anything for you.
Sure.
She likes me because I fed her. She thought I was
Fingers flat. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, Texas, young man, you go to Fort Worth, go to the stockyards, there's a statue there of an old relative of mine.
Oh, really?
Bill Pickett, famous black cowboy.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yeah. I'm named after him. I'm Will Pickett.
Oh, cool.
Moving up some girl.
Thank you so much. That was a lot of fun. We learned a lot in a short period of time.
We try to do.
Thank you. Have a good day. That was awesome, guys. Actually, can I show them to you so if any of my friends come, they can?
Yeah, look me up, Willie Pickett.
Willie Pickett.
Mid-City Carriage Company.
Awesome. Good stuff. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know what it's time for. Yes. We were able to sit in the shade. Well, except for Kalani. Did you enjoy that? You got the best view. Erik?
It was hard for us to see because of the canopy. Like,
You got a great view. Alright guys, we are digging in. How is it?
So good.
good.
Good. So here are our beignets. With my finger. Here they are. I got an iced decaf coffee. Erik got the coffee and chicory.
How about that?
So this is yummy. Josh got the same thing as Erik. And you kind of can't do this without getting powdered sugar on your lips. But yay, so we're at Café.
Everything else.
Brown Girl Reading, this is where you told me to go. And we have been here before, but tried to eat these bad boys in the car the last time we were here. So we're doing it the right way this time. Got our coffee
not having much better
at the right
luck.
place. Josh isn't having great luck. But yeah. This is our first stop after our horse and carriage tour, mule and carriage tour.
Carriage store.
Our carriage tour. I'm so excited to have you.
with brown sugar.
With brown sugar, the horse, the mule.
You let me feed her because I sat up front.
Very delicious. Can you tell us about brown sugar?
She let me feed her a slice of apple because I was up front.
She sat next to the driver, so she let her feed brown sugar at the end. We're gonna go so we can eat. Bye. my camera real quick so I can get these oysters. Thank you so much, Bronco Reed, for showing us about this Acme Oyster House. Eric?
This is so good. The description you were given of these is spot on.
How is it? Yummy? Good. You're eating an oyster. Good. Come on, is yours gone already? You already ate it? Good? Josh, yes sir. I'm guided in. I got secret
That is
fish.
so good. Wait till you taste that. I tasted Josh's. It's good.
And you got,
I got the corner crab bisque.
and is it good?
Yes, it is very good. You want to taste it?
And Jessica got
Crab cakes.
I haven't tasted hers yet.
Lonnie got gumbo. Ooh, Eric, that is good. Let's see your gumbo.
Think a little bit.
Taste it. You don't have to. Whatever you want to do.
Nuts and tails.
Oh, it's not 10 minutes. I thought 10 minutes.
It's all so good.
Okay, I'm about to try my etouffee. Anybody want
Hold it for me. Come back, come back.
Where's Lonnie's gumbo?
That's a nice wrap. You want to taste my soup?
And my crawfish tail. You try tail? All good. Here's the trolley. The Nola trolley.